Good morning, Standard 6 students. In my last video, I taught you what is article and also given you some tips how to write an article. Today in this video, I am going to give you one article so that you can understand that how I have written the article for you. So stay with me. Now, here is the article 1 that I have written for you, and the topic is a good citizen. Now, here I told you that by line means by name, you have to write the name of yours because you are writing the article. Now, you see how I have written the article for you. A good citizen is one who tries to work for the greatness and glory of his country. He, faith, he is faithful to his country and is ready to sacrifice everything for the honor of the land. He must be law abiding and must respect the traditions of his country. He should make all possible efforts to remove the social evils which are the bane of the society. He must live in peace with his fellow citizen and help the state against all criminals and law breakers. A good citizen must be committed to the high ideals and work for the betterment of his country. He should work for the unity in the country and does not do anything which might harm the solidarity of the country. He should be kind and sympathetic towards everyone. He should respect the rights and privileges of others. He should not do anything which might have bad effects on others. He should be honest and diligent and works for the good of his fellow citizens. Now, here you see the topic is good citizen. So, I have written what is good citizen and what are the duties are there for the good citizen. So, here I have given some suggestion what the good citizen can do. I hope that you have understood how the article is being written by me. So, stay with me in the next video where I am going to teach you more in grammar. Have a nice day. Thank you.